In this video, I'll look at advanced selecting methods and look deeper into the properties palette. In this example, I have a polyline that's outlining the interior square footage of this building. This is another great use of polylines, as when we look at their properties, the area is listed, both in square inches and in square feet. Another great use of the properties palette is this is where I suggest you change the layers. Another way to quickly change the layers of an object is the match properties command. You can find the button here or type in match prop in the command line. The command line prompts you to select the source object first, so choose the layer you would like from any object that has that layer. Then you can apply that layer setting to the objects which you select when you have the paintbrush on your cursor. You can hit enter to complete that command. What if I wanted to select a bunch of objects that all are the same type of object and have the same layer, such as these pieces of text? I can select one, right-click, and use the Select Similar command, and AutoCAD will select all the objects that are the same object type, in this case multi-line text, which is different than single-line text. AutoCAD knows they are different types of objects. So it will select all the same type of object and all of those objects which are on the same layer. This is great for quick layer management. I use this command pretty often. Another thing you can do with the properties palette is change the text style of text. You could also change individual aspects of the text, but I do not suggest that, as it gets very confusing to remember what settings you have for each object. I suggest, if you want to have a new text style, go to the text style dialog box and create a new text style, and then it will show up in the menu in the properties palette. Want to show you that when I select similar, as you can see, again, all of these objects have the same layer and the same object type. This object is also on the same layer, however, it is a multi-leader. I can tell this by its property object cell. It describes here the type of object AutoCAD understands it to be.